A problem concerning all electric motors with VFDs, also known as inverter output, is the bearing damage and circulating currents caused by high-frequency currents the VFDs produce. The resulting pitting, fluting, frosting of bearings, lubrication breakdown, and destruction of the bearing can now be virtually eliminated. We are proud to present the most technologically advanced solution to suppress circulating currents and damaging bearing currents. CoolBLUE Inductive Absorbers, a more powerful solution. The phenomena of damaging currents affects electric motors of all sizes using VFDs. Eventually, this will cause the bearing to fail and the motor to break down. Up to now, this has been a chronic and costly problem. Simply put, motor downtime translates into downtime in production and services, additional maintenance, expensive repair, expensive replacement of bearings on motors. No matter how the problem has been approached in the past, it has repeatedly cost time and money. The most direct way to avoid the breakdown of motor bearings is to filter out the damaging current before it reaches the motor. That's the idea behind CoolBLUE. It reduces transient voltages, stray capacitive currents, and common mode currents before they reach the motor system. The technology chokes out the damaging current before it reaches the bearings. Made to superior specifications out of high-tech nanoperm magnetic material, the CoolBLUE inductive absorbers reduce the damaging high-frequency noise to a level which saves the motor from damage, guaranteed. The CoolBLUE technology reduces the peak common mode current to a level that protects the bearings from being damaged. It's that simple. Here are the results before and after the use of CoolBLUE. As you can see, the damaging current is greatly reduced. The CoolBLUE solution benefits include no more grounding brushes or hybrid bearings, ever. Simple selection. Easy installation and/or retrofit. Lasts a lifetime. Magnetic properties do not degrade over time, nor are they affected by heat. No maintenance or downtime. Substantial cost savings over the life of the system. CoolBLUE does not affect symmetrical power currents, but will efficiently dampen the asymmetrical EMI noise currents. All power ranges in oval or round shape. CoolBLUE solutions are used in OEM manufacturers of HVAC equipment, all international VFD manufacturers, paper manufacturing, hospital, office, and commercial buildings, automotive, manufacturing, all types of pumps and fans, wind, solar, and other renewable energies. No other technology chokes damaging electric motor current like CoolBLUE, the most advanced technology for motor protection on the market today. Visit our CoolBLUE Knowledge Center at www.coolblue-mhw.com or call us at 201-252-8125. CoolBLUE, a more powerful solution.